Okay, Lighthouse coming at you. We're looking at the MoonCool TK1 fold, and I call it Soul Saver. I want you to recheck all your nuts and bolts, your quick disconnects. The front wheel was loosening up and I saw it wobble. That's why I had when I picked up the front end and I spun the wheel and then you heard a brake squeal. All of that was because of the quick disconnect was loosening up. Could have lost the wheel. So check it out. Make sure you keep your quick disconnects nice and tight. Check them often. Make sure everything is good. Okay. I'm going to charge the battery again. Make sure you have your Bible with you. Never know when you might save a soul. And here's your another. Okay, we're good on that disconnect. Oh, that's good. So I'm going to charge the battery on the bike. And as you can see, there's where I mounted my GoPro 7 Hero Black. And the reflector I put it up there where all the others are supposed to go. Not all the reflectors they had down here and then one there. Just remove it from there, put it up there. Okay, yes, I'm happy at this point in time. It's a lot of work to getting it right because it's the first time for me. And I'm satisfied, the price is good. But on the HJM, I guess it is, that's illegal. It's a 1,000-watt motor on it. Mine's got a 500-watt motor. Okay. I'm Lighthouse, and Soul Saver and I are out.